guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a transformation video. This video is inspired by Haley Pham. I saw her video and I saw Avery do it and I saw a lot of people do it. So I was like, yeah, let me do it. And yeah, I feel like I'm talking really fast, but I need to get this video started because my sister needs the car and I need to go use it. So before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, but you should be because swag. So what I'm doing today is I'm gonna be transforming myself from this to like maybe something better. So I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna get my nails done, kind of, you'll see. I'm gonna dye my hair, I'm gonna do my makeup, my outfit, and yeah, those 5 things. I'm pretty sure that's all I'm gonna be doing. If you want to see me transform from this to something else, keep on watching. I need to get this started now because my sister's gonna roast me if I don't. Okay, so first thing I'm doing is I'm gonna go shower. So let me go shower and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so my sister's gonna kill me if I'm not back before 12. So I didn't like do my skin at all yet, but I will be doing that once I get back from CVS to get nails. So that's, yeah, okay, hold on. Okay, this angle sucks. I'm sorry, I don't know where else to put my camera, but I'm going to CVS for a reason. I don't really get my nails done and my nails are messed up right now. So I don't even want the nail people to see my nails. So I'm getting press-on nails. I'm like 4, but like it's okay. But yeah, so I'm going to CVS to get fake nails and then I'm gonna go back and do my skin and do the nails after because my face feels gross. Okay, I'm here. Let's see, I don't even know where the nails are. Never bought them. 5 minutes to spare. I did it, ladies. I am back. So I'm gonna move on to skin now. Okay, so first I'm going to put my Mary Badescu lip balm on because my lips are chapped. I'm gonna be using this face mask from Sephora. It's a pearl face mask and it's for perfecting and brightening. It smells yummy. Hi. So it said to just rub it in your skin. No need to rinse it. So I guess I'll just rub this everywhere. I'm gonna spray my face with Mary Badescu lavender water. Okay, so, oh my god, my desk is so messy. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna make myself some food because I didn't eat yet. It's 12:15, so I'm gonna go make myself some food. Okay, I'm gonna make myself some eggs, bacon, and then I'm gonna put it on a sandwich and I'm gonna have an egg sandwich. So next I'm gonna be doing my nails. These are impressed nails. I got them from CVS and they're like black. I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna put these on. Oh my god, I did it. Oh, okay. These are cute, right? I think. If you hear music, that's my brother, I'm sorry. These nails are fire. Wow. I'm gonna go get my hair done now. This is my before. I have all my roots, which is disgusting, and then my blonde, but you know, I was purple, and the purple didn't come out fully. You could tell like some parts are still lavender. Yeah, so that's what my hair looks like now. It's disgusting. Okay, so the YouTuber Carrington, I love her hair. It's like white blonde, so we'll see what she could do today. So I'm gonna go to my appointment. My cousin does it at her house, so, and she lives right next to me, so I'm just gonna walk over And yeah. Hi guys, it is now 5 o'clock. I literally just finished. This is my hair. It's super cute. So the last part of this video that I was gonna do was gonna be makeup and my outfit, but since it's 5 o'clock, the sun isn't out and I wanted to take pictures and everything, so I'm gonna resume this vlog tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow, actually, in like 1 second. Hi guys, it is the next day. It is now 3 o'clock and I'm gonna go get ready. I'm going to do my makeup and show you guys my outfit, and I'm probably gonna take pictures outside, so I might bring you guys along with that. Now let's do my makeup and then I'll do my outfit after that. And yeah. First, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with my Anastasia brow pencil. My eyebrows are on, so now I'm gonna do foundation, and it's the Dior Forever foundation, my favorite foundation. So after my foundation and concealer, I'm going to powder my face with my Coty Airspun powder. Okay, and now I'm going to bronze my face. Okay, now I'm gonna do eyeliner. Yeah. Okay, so like 30 years later, I finally got them to like a good point, I think. So now I'm just going to apply mascara and then my makeup is done. My sister's playing music, so I have to talk loud because I will get copyrighted. But I finished my makeup, so now I have to figure out what I'm doing for my outfit. Hi. Hi. Okay. Hi guys. Oh, I look so cute. So we're at this like park. What is this? I don't know. Whatever, there's like bamboo and stuff, so we're taking pics and it's freezing. It's a lot of doggies. I don't know if the owners will let me record them. It's cute. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so we finished taking pictures. It's cold. Yeah, it's freezing. So we're gonna go back and I will insert all the pictures now. Okay guys, that is it for my transformation. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. This video was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That is it. Okay, bye guys.